Hello folks, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I am going to explain what is StreamWriter and StreamReader in C Sharp. So this is the upcoming part of file handling. If you don't go to the some other parts, please go through the every part in sequence if you build more understanding about this. So let's start. What is StreamWriter? So the StreamWriter class in C Sharp is more popular in file handling, and it is very helpful in writing text data into a file. It is easy to use and provides a complete set of constructor and methods to work on it. I will show you the set of constructor and method which is helpful to achieve some StreamWriter requirements if you write anything in the files, which is very helpful to write something in the files. It is used for writing. So StreamWriter class is used for writing characters to a stream in a particular format. If you go to the definition of a StreamWriter class, then you will see the following. The C# again, it's belong to the system dot input output namespace and implement the abstract text writer class. So now I am going to the implementation of StreamWriter. So in this session I have already explained about that we have created a file stream. In the file stream I have already created a node.txt file in the D drive, and we will use file mode like open or create, and file access we need to write the some things. Then here you can say that I have created object of a StreamWriter, and in that particular object I pass the argument file stream, and in the StreamWriter object I just write something text inside it. So we need to find more insight about StreamWriter. Then I go to the definition. There we can go. In the definition we have a bunch of methods, right? So I am going to explain a few of them, right? So here you can see that we have close, flush, flushing, write, and some other functions. So and dispose. So what is the purpose of that particular things? So the close method is used the current StreamWriter object and the underlying stream. So if you need to close the current StreamWriter object, then we can use a close method. So suppose here you can see that. So if I need to use a close, and this is the current StreamWriter object SW, right? And if I need to close that particular StreamWriter object, then we can use a close method. And we similarly we have a flush method. So in flush method, this method clears data from all buffers for the current writer and causes any buffer data to be written to the underlying stream. And the write method we have, it's write data to the stream. it has different overloads for different data types to write in the streams. Here you can see that we have different overload. We have a characters, we have a buffer index count. So based on our requirement, we can use a write overload methods. And we have also a write line. Here we can see that we have a write line async, write line async. So it is the same as write, but it's add the new line character at the end of the data. So in the write and write line with the which is same, but in it's add the new line character at the end of that. So suppose if we use write line in the console, similarly we have console.write lines. So similarly purpose in the file stream object we have also use write and write line. In the next new line character at the end of the data, then we can use write line. And dispose, so it release the unmanaged resources by the StreamWriter and optionally release the managed resources we have, right? And also in the dispose I already explained more details about some other sessions in the part 2 or 3 sessions. I have already explained why we use a dispose. If we don't use dispose in the reference, what object should I need to use? I already explained in details. So, and now I am going to explain some more about StreamWriter properties. So we have auto flush properties, we have base stream properties, we have encoding properties. So in the auto flush, if we need to get or sets a value indicating whether the StreamWriter will flush its buffer to the underlying stream. After every call to system dot input output dot StreamWriter dot write system dot character. So it's gets or set value indicating whether the StreamWriter will flush the current buffer, right? And the base stream is gets the underlying stream that interface with a backing store. And the another property is encoding, which is gets the system.text.encoding in which the output is written, right? So next I am going to the StreamReader. What is a StreamReader? So also we can go to the more insight about the implementation. So StreamReader class in C# allow us to read the text file. So this is the similar properties of StreamWriter. So StreamWriter is used for write something inside the files, and again if you need to read something in the files, in the text file, then we can use a StreamReader. It is easy to implement and it's popular among developers. There are many ways to read a text file in C#, but StreamReader class is more popular in the list. While working with the C# StreamReader class, you need to remember the following points, like implements a text reader that needs character from a byte stream in a particular encoding. So that's point we need to remember about that. So a StreamReader class uses UTF-8 encoding by default. A StreamReader class is designed for character input in a particular encoding. Use the class for reading a standard text file. if you need to read a standard text file, then we can use. By default, StreamReader is not a thread safe. It's not a thread safe. So we need to remember that points. In some kinds we need to implement threading, some other things, then we need to take care about that. StreamReader is not a thread safe. And similarly, this is also belongs to the namespace system dot input output. So I'm going to the some methods in the StreamReaders. What is the methods and what is the use, and also going to some properties. Similarly, StreamWriters. So I'm going to the definition. Here we can go. So this is the major properties of StreamWriters. We have some StreamReader overload methods. So based on the requirements, we can use that. Also, you can see that this is the more popular properties is close. So the close method class closes the StreamReader object and the underlying stream, and release any system resource associated with the readers. So like if you're reading the text file, then it's reading line by line, and if you use StreamReader.close methods, then it's close the StreamReader objects, right? And what is a pick? So pick, this method return the next available character but does not consume it. An integer represents the next character to be reads. If we use pick character, the integer represents the next character to be read 0 or -1. If there are no character to be read, or if the stream does not support seeking, right? And the read is basically this message read the next character from the input stream and advances the character position by one character. The next character from the input stream is represent as a system.in32 object or -1 if no more character are available, right? Similarly, we have a read line. This method read a line of character from the current stream and return the data as a string. The next line from the input stream or null if the end of the input stream is reached. And what is a seek? So seek is basically it is used to read write at a specific location from a file. I don't see here in the seek properties, but we have a seek properties that would be used read write at a specific location from a file, right? And we have some interesting properties as well: current encoding, end of a stream, and base stream. So current encoding, it get the current character encoding that the current system.input output StreamReader object is using. And end of stream, it's get a value that indicate whether the current stream position is at the end of the stream. And base stream, it return the underlying streams. Also you can go to the comment section. We have also returned the underlying streams. We got more insight what the purpose, why we use end of streams, so you can get the more details about that. Here you can see that, right? So thank you guys, have a nice day and happy learning to all. If you have any query, have any questions, please put in the comment section. I will try to resolve the same. So happy learning, happy day. Thank you, have a nice day. Bye bye.